In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save time by reusing custom message layouts in Slack using BlockKit Builder templates. If you regularly create announcements, approval messages, reminders, or interactive updates in Slack, this is a really useful workflow to know. Instead of rebuilding the same message design every time, you can create or reuse a layout once, copy the payload, and drop it into the place where you need it. That makes your messages more consistent, more polished, and much faster to deploy. To get started, open your web browser and go to the official Slack BlockKit Builder website. This is Slack's visual tool for building message layouts, and it gives you both a live preview and the underlying JSON structure at the same time, which makes it much easier to work with. Once you're there, log in with your Slack account so the builder can connect to your workspace. Signing in helps you work in the right environment and makes it easier to test layouts that are relevant to the Slack setup you're already using. Next, choose how you want to begin. You can pick a starting template from the template library in the left side menu if you want a quick foundation, or if you already have a layout you've used before, you can paste your saved JSON code directly into the editor. Templates are especially helpful when you want a professional structure without designing everything from the ground up. After that, customize the layout elements using the visual preview on the screen. You can adjust text, buttons, images, and other components so the message matches your exact purpose. As you edit, pay attention to how the preview updates, since that helps you catch formatting issues early and make sure the message looks clean and easy to read. When your layout is ready, click the Copy Payload button. This copies the updated JSON code to your clipboard so you can move it directly into the Slack tool or app configuration where the message will be used. It's a good habit to make sure your final version is copied only after you've reviewed the content and layout one more time. Now open Slack Workflow Builder or the settings for your custom app, depending on where you want this message to appear. Find the message payload field, paste in the JSON code you copied, and then save your changes. Once that's done, your custom message layout is ready to reuse whenever you need it. This is a simple way to avoid starting from scratch every time while keeping your Slack messages professional, structured, and consistent.